Cyngn stock surged after the company announced its partnership with Nvidia to showcase its autonomous industrial vehicles at Automatica 2025. Specifically, Cyngn's use of the Nvidia Isaac robotics platform to power its next-generation autonomous vehicle solutions for industrial applications, primarily in the manufacturing and logistics sectors. Cyngn was selected among a handful of robotics innovators, using Nvidia Isaac technologies to accelerate safe and scalable autonomy in dynamic, real-world environments. The company's autonomous industrial vehicles, built on Nvidia Isaac and powered by Cyngn's proprietary DriveMod software, are currently operating in commercial environments to reduce labor costs, increase throughput, and improve safety. Automatica 2025 provides a global platform for showcasing how AI-powered solutions are transforming manufacturing and logistics. According to Lior Tal, CEO of Cyngn, the collaboration with Nvidia reinforces their mission to build cutting-edge autonomous vehicles that deliver real-world ROI to industrial operators. Despite the recent surge, Cyngn stock has faced significant challenges in the past year, plunging nearly 100% in the last 12 months due to financial difficulties and concerns about meeting Nasdaq's minimum bid price requirement. The company has struggled to meet revenue and EPS consensus analyst estimates, missing expectations in the last 4 quarters. However, Cyngn regained Nasdaq compliance in March 2025, which may signal a positive turn for the company. Cyngn has also announced a registered direct offering of approximately $15 million in shares of common stock and pre-funded warrants to a single institutional investor. The offering consists of the sale of 2,994,012 shares of common stock or pre-funded warrants at a price of $5.01 per share of common stock. The pre-funded warrants have a price of $5.00999, which is equal to the public offering price per share of common stock, minus an exercise price of $0.00001. These warrants will be immediately exercisable and can be exercised at any time until fully exercised. The aggregate gross proceeds to the company are expected to be approximately $15 million, and the transaction is expected to close on or about June 27, 2025, subject to customary closing conditions. Cyngn intends to use the net proceeds from the offering for general corporate purposes and working capital. Aegis Capital Corp. is acting as the exclusive placement agent for the offering, with Sacencia Ross Ference Carmel LLP serving as counsel to Cyngn and Kaufman & Cannolis, PC serving as counsel to Aegis Capital Corp. The registered direct offering is being made pursuant to an effective shelf registration statement on Form S-3 previously filed with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. A final prospectus supplement and accompanying prospectus describing the terms of the proposed offering will be filed with the SEC and available on their website. Interested parties can obtain electronic copies of these documents by contacting Aegis Capital Corp. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.